So yes guys, it is 5:15 in the morning, everyone else is asleep. So what I'm gonna do today is today's gonna be a very hard working day. आज बहुत काम करना है. So firstly for the day I'll start with generalizing क्योंकि कल मैं जल्दी सो रहा था दर्द की वजह से 12 o'clock तक सो गया था. So I'll generalize what was remaining. That I'm gonna tell you what I expect for the market. Then I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna talk about economical analysis for the next week. So yep, this is it, and I'll update you guys in a bit. Well, now guys, it is what you can say 10 a.m. and I'm still doing my work from 6 because I have a lot of work to do today. I'm not showing the videos continuously, but I'm writing down these things because these things are what gonna take me places that I cannot even imagine of, and I will retell you guys that I tell you daily. Please start journalizing because it will help you in a way that you cannot even imagine. You will improve in a pace जो आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा, and it will tell you much more things. Writing down tells you the deep facts about a certain thing. So yes, I'll say कि please journalize. This is the key of success, and I'm manifesting. I manifest daily that you'll see me. I'm just in a small room. I'm writing this shit. I'm trying to succeed in this field, and when I'm gonna achieve success, then I'm gonna be living in my mansion. I'm gonna be doing the same shit. That does not mean when I'll be rich, that does not mean that I'm gonna work any less harder. I'm gonna be working even more harder than that I'm doing currently, and one day I'm gonna be sitting in my mansion, in my house that I just bought, with a Lamborghini Huracan standing just beneath my room at the doorway. Multiple cars, a Mercedes EQS, a car that my mom likes, a car that my father likes, is standing right there. And I'm trading for a short amount of time, giving it all, taking a lot of amount of money, traveling the whole world, taking my mother and father with me, taking them to each and every country that we can roam possibly. And yes, ahead, the life ahead is going to be extremely difficult and beautiful. So yes, without wasting time, I'll generalize more. I'm not gonna show you. I know you don't like writing, seeing me writing it down, but I'll update you guys when my first generalizing for the day is complete. Then we'll have lunch, and after that we'll read book, and I'll give you the pre-market analysis for the next week. So now it's 11 in the morning and I'm still doing my work. There's a lot of work to do today. So yes, now I'm just gonna have my breakfast for the day, and after that we'll just get on to the charts, so that we can just do the pre-market analysis and do other stuffs. Also we'll do the economic analysis at the evening because I have to read a lot of articles today. आज बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स पढ़ने हैं जो ट्रम्प ने रिसेंटली करा, एंड ऑल्सो द इंडियन एंड पाकिस्तान war that is going on. Well, that should not have any of the effect on the XAUSD, USD, but I think that there could be some factors to look for, so that I'm hoping to look. And so yes, today is gonna be a very busy day, and also I have to complete my work so that I have to submit that in the college. Also in the evening I have to go and get redressed. मुझे फिर से ड्रेसिंग करानी है, and after about 7 or 8 days from now, because 2 days have passed, my stitches will be open. I'm gonna show you a photograph of what it looks like currently, and tell me what how does it look in the comments. And So yes, I'll update you guys in a bit when I have my breakfast with me. So yes, now I'm having my lunch or lunch के बाद we are gonna talk about the pre-market analysis for the next week, and we look for technical setups and what could be the possible reactions and important levels that we could probably look launch for the next week, and what is gonna happen, what the economy looks like. So yes, let me just hit it and then we'll start. So yes guys, it is Sunday and let me just give you a pre-market analysis that what I believe is going to happen to the price and what we should be seeing if so yes, as you can clearly see, I gave you this path. I gave it this path up at all the way to Saturday 3 May, that was the previous week, and as I said to you guys, the price followed our rally and went all the way towards these highs. Even it actually but went fall down, and you know what, ये जो price fall down हुआ है, this I am currently on 30-minute time frame that I am showing you. So yes, दिस सडन मेजर फॉल ऑफ इज ड्यू टू द फैक्ट कि यहाँ पर जो यूएस चाइना ट्रेड नेगोशिएशंस हैं उसमें हमारा एक अच्छी रीड निकली जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा कूल डाउन आया, उसकी वजह से जो इतने लॉन्ग रैली चल रही थी उसके बाद जो बायर्स हैं उनको एक पोजीशन मिल गई एंटर करने की, due to which we entered in a bearish drawdown, and as you can see we were falling in a decline. But now what happened, I even took this position. As you guys know, on Friday we took this position, we captured it from just right here to all the way to here when we were 7% in profit, but price grabbed uneven liquidity from this area and went all the way to the upside. This was my path, that was I was expecting the price to do, but price instead of going to this level, I still don't understand कि ऐसा क्यों करा. Anything could happen because the nearby liquidity as is available at this point only, from where the price should have grabbed momentum, but price ऊपर चला गया. But that does not matter me because I have captured enough profit and also trailed my stop loss in profit, so we made a little amount of profit on that. But yes, so in terms of biasing, gold is still extremely bullish because China and US negotiations were very little kind of important to read, and the all of the bearish pressure I believe is now over, and as you can see, we were we were following, we were just making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then we just shifted the market and we made a higher high just right here. So what I expect that this could be a probable market change. My bias is still on gold is extremely bullish, and what we can basically just expect from the price is that the factory, I believe price could even reach back down to this level or this level, and after that may continue rallying to the upside, which may be a very 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 good signal. और यही लगता है क्योंकि इस समय करंटली इकोनॉमी जो है वो काफ़ी बुलिश है, एंड आई बिलीव जो मेरी एंट्रीज रहेंगी वो बुलिश भी रहेंगी, बट स्टिल if other if other reads even come in good for gold, then we also may expect a rally to the downside or a decline to the downside. But I still believe कि price is gonna go to the upside क्योंकि अभी यही ज़्यादा suitable लगता है in terms of current scenario. And now this was my analysis. I expect the price to move to the upside for the next week. I'll look for setups only when it reaches an important level, and just right this level, as losing is important, as you can see there's a lot of liquidation on this level, so I do not believe that this is going to be an important level. If price rallies above to this level, that is there is it is really on Wednesday 7th May, that is 3437.734 level. I believe that price is gonna break to the upside, and if it breaks it, it is gonna break the new all-time highs and create all the way to the new all-time highs. So this is what I expect. मेरे हिसाब से price bullish है and price bullish ही रहेगा, and that is what I expect, and that is what my positions will be. If we see any of the perfect positions, as you can see, one important level that I want to mark, one more important level that I want to mark is this level, because these are the most frequent London lows, London and New York session lows, overlapping lows. As you can clearly see, price went all the way to the downside after this level, even breaking this level which contains important liquidity, that is 3314 level. And yes, these highs are even untested right now, and we should have taken this position because we had an FV just right here, we had multiple confirmations just right here. So I believe that this level contains a good amount of liquidity, so I'm gonna be looking to capture this. I'm gonna be looking to capture this bullish position from here to all the way down to this side, because I believe that this level contains a good amount of liquidity. So my position will be, I'm gonna go short on this position, and if it doesn't respect it, if it goes to the upside, then we'll wait for the retest to this level and move to the upside. So yeah, this was the price analysis. Yes, this was what my price analysis for the week, next upcoming weeks looks like. I know कि price अभी important level respect नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि there is a lot of uncertainty because of the cool down read that just came out in context of US and चाइना ट्रेड नेगोशिएशंस, जिसके से काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट था. डॉलर थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ गेन करा बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि बहुत लंबी रैली चल गई थी, तो उसकी वजह से बेरिस को एक पोजीशन मिल गई एंटर करने की, and due to which they flushed out to the downside. But now I believe the price is gaining back momentum, and we could probably expect the price to remove to the upside, because analyzing all the situations, gold is extremely bullish because the economy hasn't still improved, and Trump is being extra volatile nowadays, so that's why I believe. So yes, now I'll just keep on with my generalizing. After generalizing, we'll read 5 books. So yeah, I'll read 5 pages of my first book. After then, I'm gonna give you the economical analysis for the next week, and that is gonna be a lot important. I believe you should all watch that very deeply and carefully, because that is what will move the price. And so yep, this is what it's all about. And yes, let's start. We'll see what happens in the day. So yes guys, I have just uploaded my video, and go and watch it. I believe that you will like it very much, and please subscribe, please comment, that motivates me. And yes, now without wasting any time, my most of the tasks are complete for the day, because it was Sunday. I am working from morning itself. So अभी हम जो चीज़ करेंगे, that is, I'll give you what the previous the next week is all about. We'll talk about economical analysis, and after economical analysis I'll read book, and we'll talk a little, and I'm gonna end the video. That is what we're gonna do, and we'll hope for tomorrow. I do not really know that what is gonna happen, बट मेरे हिसाब से मार्केट नीचे ही खुलेगा कल. इट इज़ गोना फॉल अ लिटिल, देन मे बी प्रोसीड टू द अपसाइड. सो यस, गो एंड वॉच माई वीडियो, एंड यस, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द इकोनॉमी नाउ. Next week's economy, that is from 12 to 18. So yes, as we can clearly see, हमारे पास 3 important days होने वाले हैं इस वीक में. द फर्स्ट day is the 13th of May, in which we have the CPI YY date. So we have CPI data on this. There is consumer price index और the inflation data. ये बहुत ही हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी डेटा होता है, एंड इसकी वजह से पता लगता है कि प्राइस कहाँ जाने वाला है. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रीड. दिस एंड द लेबर डेटा आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट move the price up to the upside or downside. Last time ये हमारा ड्रॉप आउट आया था क्योंकि प्राइस बहुत रिएक्ट कर रहा था बुरी तरीके से, बट इस बार यूएस ने चाइना के साथ थोड़े ट्रेड नेगोशिएशंस करे हैं, बट आई स्टिल बिलीव कि ये इस बार भी ड्रॉप आउट आ सकता है, क्योंकि इतना कुछ इफेक्ट हम पे नहीं आया है. सो 13th of May is an important day. नाउ वी ऑल द वे कम टू 15th of May, क्योंकि 15th of May में हमारे पास रिटेल सेल्स हैं, और हमारे पास प्रोड्यूसर प्राइस इंडेक्स डेटा एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम्स भी हैं. सो अब दिस इज गोना बी अ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट डे, क्योंकि इस दिन फेड पावल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस दिन हमारा जेरोम पावल भी बोलेंगे, एंड दिस इज गोना बी अ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट डे. PPI data is also a very very major factor that signifies PPI data also. These are all the major economic data. So we have the 13th and 15th of May are the most important days of the next week that we should be looking for. Also we have the premium UI confirmations which dropped last time, and I expect it to drop this time also, because of the fact कि अभी इतना अच्छा माहौल नहीं चल रहा है. एंड yep, this is all about the week. So yep, we have one day one छोड़ के हमारे पास important day, that is 13, 15 and 18. So yep, the most important day will be the 13th of May because we have the CPI for the month, which is very 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 important. उससे पता लगेगा कि कहाँ जाएगा इकोनॉमी, कहाँ जा रही है. So yes, I still have a neutral reading on all of these things, but I still believe कि डाउन आ सकता है क्योंकि अभी भी इकोनॉमी ने कुछ इतने इम्प्रूव सिग्नल नहीं दिखाए. जो मेन सिग्नल है बस वो यही है कि we have some negotiations with China. And yes, I'll update you guys what happens, and this was all about the next week economical analysis. Yes, we just talk about the economical analysis, and yes, what we expect and can expect is that I believe कि अभी मैंने आर्टिकल पढ़ा तो Trump just wrote on Sunday that they made a good progress with China, which is a healing signal for the economy because we are extremely volatile. So yes, I believe my bias has now shifted to the downside because I believe that चाइना और यूएस का जो अभी टैरिफ वॉर चल रहा है, दैट इज़ अ मेजर स्टैंड ऑफ इन दी मार्केट. और अगर हमें इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट्स देखने को मिलते हैं देन आई थिंक प्राइस विल definitely move to downside to clear out the the bullish pressure that was extreme due to this tariff thing. And yes, so now let's see what happens. But looking at the articles that I'm just reading, I believe that the economy will heal for some time, and that would be bearish for gold. But we'll look for other things, and at the night I'll update you even more about what are my views. So yes, I'm now reading articles that we'll read, then we'll read books, then I have to complete all of my college works, and then I'm going to sleep and repeat the drill for the next week. So yes, without wasting any time, I just start doing my work now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so now my journalizing for the day is complete, and now I will do my college work that I have to submit tomorrow. Now it is 10:35 currently, and for 1 or 1.5 hours I'm gonna write my work now. And yes, after writing my work I'll just hop on to you, then we'll read the book and we'll end the day like we do. So yes, let me see you after I have completed my work. Yes, so now it's 12:10 in the night and I have to complete my work still. So I think आज हम काफ़ी लेट सोए क्योंकि उसके बाद बुक भी रीड करनी है. We have to make the pre-market analysis a little bit also. So yes, I'm just completing my work. Let me just show you, and after that we're gonna get back to our drill after just completing this chapter. So yes, let's start without wasting any time. So yes guys, now it's approximately 1:40, it's 1:36 to be exact, and I'm completing my work. It's gonna be completing soon enough. Now I'm gonna read my book. We're gonna read 5 pages for the day because we didn't read since morning. तो अभी reading करूँगा. And yes, let's start. Yes guys, now it's 2:30 and my reading and all is now complete. So now I'm just going to sleep, and the thing that I want to do, that I want to tell you people is that no matter how hard the situation is, never give up on your dreams. Write down your dreams on your paper, paste them on your walls, continuously see them, continuously think about them. Write your dreams on your paper, read it every day before even sleeping. Trust me, you're gonna make it. Just manifest and work hard, manifest and work hard, manifest, work hard, manifest, work hard. That is what the key to success looks like. Do not skip even a single day. Be addicted with the shit that you are doing. Literally, I'm just telling them soon I'm going to make huge amounts of money that no one have even imagined of. I will soon have the freedom that I have been looking for. I will be able to do whatever I want, whenever I want, and how I want. Will make huge amounts of money trading. I will buy a Lamborghini Huracan and drive it all the way to my city. That's my dream, man. Just that's my dream. I will give my parents each and everything they want. I'll buy them cars, I'll buy them mansions, I'll give them drivers. They can do whatever the fuck they want. I'll send them on world trips. I'll give my brother each and everything that he wants. I'll buy whatever I want. I just want to become filthy rich. That is what I think about daily, and that is what I'm working for, and that is what I'm gonna achieve in a very less amount of time because I'm working hard for it. I'm not like the people who just think and that they're gonna do it. No, but I work harder than 99% of people. I have problems more than 99% of people. Still, I work harder than 99% of people. That's why I'll become better than 99% of people. I just know I'm gonna be a very big personality. I just know that I'm gonna become a very big personality. I'm born to become a very rich personality. I'm born to become a very great personality. I will become great one day. I'm great today. I was great yesterday, and I will become even more great tomorrow. And I will become even more great in the next few years. The whole world will see I'm the best. I will do it. Can do it, and I will do it. It is what I want to say, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.